Welcome to my latest episode of my vlog. Last week we talked about how the digital transformation can impact the toothbrush manufacturing, and today I want to talk about the insurance industry. Now, specifically I want to highlight how BOT, the Intelligent Bot Framework, can help insurance companies to provide a much richer, better user experience than what they do today. So let's assume I just bought a Ford Fusion 2015 model and I do need insurance coverage for it. So I'm at my home and I need to look and find new insurance coverage. So I take the device of my choosing, laptop, tablet, whatever it might be, and I start looking on the web on where I can find insurance. And I end up on the website of Lightwire Insurances. And I see a nice window that says Life Chat. So let's check it out. Oh, look at that. How can I help you today? Very helpful. But what if I were to speak, let's say, Spanish? So I answer with hola. And the bot can answer me in Spanish. But can he only talk Spanish? What about French? And he replies in French. Because with the bot, you can also take advantage, for example, of speech and translator APIs that are available for you or at your disposal. You can easily enrich them. Now think about how hard it is to find call agents that find that or that can actually talk multiple languages. And here, with the help of technologies, you addressed it right away, and it is scalable beyond your imagination. So now let me tell him that, or ask him what he can do. Obviously, he can help me to find me new insurances. That's super helpful. So I tell him, where is your company based? Washington, very good. Now let's go down to business. I need insurance. So he's asking me what kind of insurance I'm looking for. And I can show him life, property. I want auto insurance. I am an existing customer. So he's asking me for my name, the identification number. He's smart, huh? So now he can pull all the information that you have stored in your CRM to give me a very good and pleasant experience. When he pulls the information, he realizes that I actually have a daughter, a dependent, that is turning 16 and is offering me right away if I wanted to include her in the insurance. And we all know when your kids can actually drive a car, they're going to ask you to borrow it over and over or all the time. So I say, yes, please, add my daughter. Not sure what it's going to do to my insurance amount, but we will see. We have a Ford, a Fusion, what else? It's a 2015. And of course I have a picture. In today's time and age, you take pictures of everything with your mobile phone, right? So he's asking me to provide the picture of my car. Now let's see how smart it is. Let's upload a picture with a dog in it and see what he says, if he just moves on or not. So look at that. He knows that it's a black and brown dog. So he wants another picture. So here we're leveraging the picture recognition API that is also at your disposal and actually won the prize as the best and most accurate picture recognition service in the world. Now, I like to fool a little bit with the bot. So let's download something that does not say in the file name what it is. It's actually cat, but I named it Harry, and see what he says here. Also here, he realized it's a cat. So I had my fun. Now I actually give him the picture of a Fusion 2015 model that I previously found with a web search. Here we go. It's transmitted. And look at him, how charming he is. He actually says it's a nice ride. So I'm very happy with that. So now he should have all the information to come up with a proposal. And as he's generating the proposal, I quickly chat with my friends and ask them, hey, how much do you pay per month for your Ford Fusion? Because I know you told me about the car and that was the reason why I bought it. And now I see this offer and it says, what? 146 a month? You crazy? No, that's way too expensive, bot. So he can actually realize my sentiment in my sentences, so he knows I'm really not happy with the price. So he's looking for a human agent that can take over the conversation from here. So now let's switch quickly from the customer-facing side to Jane as an employee of Lightwire Insurance. So Jane can now go in her CRM and then click on Opportunities. Then we have here the one that we just created for auto insurance. Now it's loading the whole opportunity that the bot created. And you see on the right hand side, for example, you see the conversation log that I had with the bot. So you see when I talked Spanish, French, and when we scroll down, we see even the pictures I've just uploaded, the black and brown dog, my cat, and then my car. Now when we look in the center of the CRM, we see, for example, that according to the churn prediction model, with a 10% discount, you have an 85% chance to retain the customer. So below, you see identifies customers at risk and a churn rate of 63. So if Jane now provides me the 10% discount, she has a chance of 85% to retain me. So Jane can literally just say, hey, how about 10% discount? Would that work for you? And it would. I would close the deal right away, and there is one more happy customer. But now think about, this is just for getting a new insurance coverage. What about I get into an accident and I really don't know, or I forgot what I really should do. I'm nervous, I'm upset because I'm late to an appointment, and now I could take my phone. And because you have a bot, or your insurance have a bot, I can use the apps I already love and use, for example, Skype or WhatsApp, to chat with you. And I'm like, hey, I got into an accident. What should I do? And then you can lead me through the process, saying I need the details, contact details of the other people involved. I need their insurance information. You can ask me to make pictures and upload it right away. You can then leverage picture recognition, which can help you then in return to much faster work through the different cases that you have. And if you need to provide service or pay out, you can do so much easier, and you have all the information from the beginning. This is super powerful and super helpful for me as a customer. I often talk about how frustrating it is that every airline company, every hotel, everywhere you go, even events, make their own apps. And it's often not even that much added value, but maybe because of the schedules or because you're a member, you actually download it. And then the apps ask for all this crazy information. Access to my contacts, access to my basic profile information and things like that, and sometimes even my location. But many of the things I could literally just do with a bot, and then I literally can just use apps that I already have installed. Domino's is a great example, Domino's Pizza in the US, that already is leveraging bot technology where you can order a pizza. So I hope today I could show you a little bit the value of the bots and the intelligent bots and how it can improve and enrich the user experience. Now, it's not just working for insurances, just think about it. It could be your frequent asked questions. Very simple, there's actually a website for it. I'm going to provide it in the details, where you just can copy paste the facts from the frequent asked questions from a website in there, and then you can ask the questions. That would be super helpful if there is a delay on an airport of my connecting flight, things like that, and I just can do that. And I don't need to wait till an agent is there, because everybody's delayed, everybody is calling, everybody is on hold, but I actually could leverage bots to actually walk me through the process. So I hope I can inspire you a little bit to think about how a bot could help your business to improve and give customers a better experience, but also to scale and grow your business. And I want to say thank you for taking the time of watching me today. As usual, please keep your feedback coming, specifically if you want me to highlight a certain topic or a certain area of the cloud or digital transformation, and I'm gladly do so. And please help me spread the word, share my video if you liked it, subscribe online either on YouTube or on my WordPress site to ensure that you don't miss out, and connect with me on Twitter. Thank you very much, have a great day and even a better start into the next week.